Do you want to know how an MBA can transform your life? I can help you out with that. Hi, I am Vishal. I did my MBA from IIM Bodh Gaya in the year 2022. So currently I am working in marketing in an edtech firm. Well, I'm a mechanical engineer and I was working as a production engineer in my previous firm. So while working over there, I developed an interest towards the business side of my work rather than only focusing on the technical part of it. But since मेरे पास कोई business का background नहीं था, ना ही कोई qualifications थी, तो इसलिए doing an MBA was the very right option for me and that's why I went for an MBA. Well, there are several key highlights of doing an MBA because MBA में 50% of the things you learn from the course का curriculum and rest 50 you learn from different co-curricular activities. जैसे कि you get an opportunity to participate in different clubs and committee. So जब हम clubs and committee में participate करते हैं, so we get an opportunity to work in a very small team, right? A team which is having people from different background. So you get to understand their perspective towards that common goal. And you also get an opportunity to conduct several events for your batchmate and even for the other IIMs as well. With that, you also get opportunities to take part in business case study competitions, which are organized by companies and even by the other IIMs as well. So उससे you get an understanding कि जो भी कुछ आप अपने कोर्स करिकुलम में पढ़ रहे हैं उसको आप अपने एक रियल टाइम कंपनीज के इश्यूज को सॉल्व करने में किस तरीके से यूज़ कर सकते हैं, तो ये आपको एक रियल टाइम इम्प्लीमेंटेशन में हेल्प करता है. थर्ड विल बी द लाइफ प्रोजेक्ट्स. सो वेन एवर यू आर स्टक और वेन एवर यू गेट कन्फ्यूज कि वॉट एवर यू आर लर्निंग ये एक्चुअली में आपको इंडस्ट्री में किस तरीके से हेल्प करेगा, सो पिकिंग अप अ लाइफ प्रोजेक्ट इन द वेरी राइट डोमेन इज़ द बेस्ट ऑप्शन. कि आप किसी भी कंपनी के किसी भी छोटे प्रोजेक्ट्स को आप पिक करिए और उसमें आप ये सारे नॉलेज को अप्लाई करने का ट्राई कीजिए. सो दिस इज़ हाउ यू डेवलप योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि जो कुछ भी आप पढ़ रहे हैं, जो कुछ भी आपके कोर्स का पार्ट है, उसको आप एक्चुअली में किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के प्रॉब्लम्स को किस तरीके से सॉल्व करने में यूज़ कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज़ हाउ MBA हेल्प्स इन ऑर्डर टू ट्रांसफॉर्म यू द पर्सन यू वर बिफोर एंड द पर्सन यू बिकम आफ्टर डूइंग योर MBA. वेल, चैलेंजेस तो काफ़ी सारे थे. सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज ये रहता है कि यू गेट टू लर्न सब्जेक्ट्स दोज यू हैव नेवर रेड बिफोर. जैसे कि मैंने मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग की थी, तो अकाउंट्स का, इकोनॉमिक्स का मुझे कोई भी आइडिया नहीं था. So in order to learn those subjects, I have to start from very scratch. And the best part was that I was competing against those who have already completed their BCom and they were expert as those subjects. But the beauty of this thing is that towards the end of your curriculum, you understand that you started with knowing nothing, but right now you are having a very fair understanding of the fundamental of these subjects and how they contribute towards a business. The second challenge was that when you take active participation in clubs and committee, इतने सारे आप केस कॉम्पिटिशन्स में आप पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे होते हैं, इतने सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स होते हैं और ये सारी चीज़ें आपको अपने नॉर्मल कोर्स करिकुलम के साथ मैनेज करना होता है. सो टाइम मैनेजमेंट इज समथिंग विच यू लर्न फ्रॉम देयर एंड it takes some time. For the initial 1-2 months, definitely everyone struggle with that, but over a period of time, definitely one learns how to manage their time, how to prioritize their things. So I would say these were the main two challenges which at the end of the day you will definitely overcome during your MBA course. Well, I would say go for it. Especially if you are someone who is looking to change their domain, who want to switch their domain, definitely MBA is a very right choice for you because I personally did that. I came from a mechanical engineering background to a marketing domain. And the second is that if you are someone who is really looking forward to starting your own venture or any startup, so definitely you should be knowing the fundamentals of how a business is run and MBA is the very right option for you.